I wanted to work for a company that I felt had a good reputation, an honest company that actually helped people and was about selling visas and not just making money.
I thought it was a company that's going to be growing, and also it's a company where I can add value once I was here, and it seemed like a company where I'd be able to voice my opinion and be involved in the team and add to its growth. And
it's the culture, it's the team spirit, it's the leadership, it's the wealth of knowledge that makes it a tangible force. It's not something that is just merely words to us.
I really wake up in the morning knowing that I'm going to help people, I'm going to make a difference, I'm going to change people's lives for the better.
We bend over backwards to help our clients, to assist them.
My favorite core value at NWI is accountability. If I tell a client I'm going to do something, I'm going to do it.
It doesn't happen overnight. You have to build a relationship and earn their trust.
Honesty is very important, and even if it means losing a client, it's just the honesty comes first.
The office environment, the vibe that everyone has, the teamwork that we have together as a team, and all getting in and helping each other and just being there with everyone. It's awesome.
If you're enthusiastic about what you do and you feel you're adding value, how does it turn out to be work?
if NWI was an animal, I'd say that we're a snow leopard.
I would say a lion.
Majestic elephant.
I have no idea.